Welcome back. Now the next element you're going to see is you're going to have control over the large banner image. And to begin working with the banner, you're going to click on this area that says Image Banner. And you're then going to see this right side menu. And you're going to see that you have both a first and second image that you are going to work with. Now you can determine your banner height. You can make it small, and your banner will appear small. You can make it medium, or you can make it large. Once you determine how you want it to be, you can then click Save. Now you can make other changes in this area. For example, you can change the desktop content. You're going to see when you change this to the top right, the desktop content will move to the right. We can move it to the left, and we can place it where we want it to be. We can change the color scheme. We can change the alignment. And then we can make changes based on the mobile layout if that's something that we want to do. Now what we can do is we can change either the first or second image. If you have access to a graphics program like Canva, whether you have the free or paid version, you can create an image for your Shopify website. You can choose a template. You can customize the template. And depending on whether you have the paid version, you can typically resize the template so that it'll appear at the size in which it is specified in Shopify. What we're going to do is we're going to make some changes to the content, and then we're going to download this Canva template. And we're then going to upload it into the banner area. We're going to select our image. We're then going to click Save. We can then change the text on the banner. For example, we can change the text that we have here, and you'll see here we can change this text. We can change the font size or the header size, or we can leave it as is. We can save it. We can change the content that we see. We can then save it, and we can make changes to the button, and we can determine where that button is going to link. Once you have your changes for the image banner, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.